Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Know Yourself 16. Today I'm going to do tarot reading on 9th astrological sign Sagittarius, the fire element. This is a general reading, it may not resonate with everyone. From here I'm going to take total 7 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the cards are 8 of Pentacles, 7 of Cups, 3 of Cups, King of Wands, the World, Judgment, and Queen of Cups, and your Master card is Strength, the Major Arcana. Okay, so the energy that I am getting is that you are working. Okay, you are working on the opportunities. Alright, yes, you are working on the opportunities. Yeah. Yeah, the first energy is that you are working. Okay, you are working very hard. You are making your way towards a new beginning. Yes, you are. Yeah, you are making your way towards a new beginning. Okay. So yeah, so many emotional uprising, sorry, not uprising, yeah, many emotional conflict is going within you. Okay, yes, there are many emotional conflicts that is going inside you. Okay, and you are working on that. Okay, yeah, you are working on that in a very analytical manner. All right, because the energy that I can see is there, the energy that I am getting is that a conflict is going inside you. Okay, and you want is answer, like you want the stability. Okay, the final answer. So you are analyzing each and every emotion, each and every thoughts in a very analytical manner. Okay, you are seeing both the sides. Okay, yes, you are seeing both the sides. You are giving justice to each and every situation or the opinions. Okay, because there is a conflict going on inside you. Okay, due to there is a conflict going on inside you. Yeah, that has been arise either from the situation or either from the thoughts. Okay, yeah, either from the situation or either from the thoughts. Hmm. Hmm. So with this card, okay, yes, with this card, I am getting the energy. Okay, so with this card, I am getting the energy is that uh, right now, okay, yeah, uh, right now you have many ideas and visions. Alright, yes, right now you have many ideas and visions which you know that okay, these ideas and these visions will help me to get my opportunities. Okay, yes, or to open the new ways of opportunities. Alright, and you are very sure about this, so you are working on that. You are working on that accordingly. Okay, yes, you are working on that accordingly. And also you have come out from the past situation in a very successful manner. Okay, and what I can see here is that the way you are working, okay, yes, the way you are working for your goals, for your goals, for your ideas, and for your visions, it will going to it is like you are going to get it. Okay, you are going to succeed in that. All right, yeah, you are going to get success in that. Okay, because you are seeing at both the direction, at at both the pros and cons. All right. Eight of Pentacles. See, Eight of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. So as I said that you are working, okay, you are working towards your towards your ideas, towards your visions. All right, yes, you are working on that. And number two is that there is some conflicts going inside you. Okay, yes, there is some conflicts going inside you on which you are working. Okay, you are sitting peacefully and with a patience manner you are working on that. Okay, Temperance. Okay, yes, blending. Okay, yes, as I said that there yeah. Okay, so it seems like there is some unclear there is some doubt that is going inside you. Okay, or there is some kind of confusion. Okay, where you, and it is all mixed up. Okay, so you need clarity and you are in search of the clarity. Okay, yes, and you are this card says the energy that I am getting from here is that you are working towards your goal. Okay, and you have a vision that with this work, okay, or with this idea I will be able to enjoy myself. Okay, and this idea or this vision is good for me. All right, and you are working towards that in a very serious manner. Okay, yes, you are working towards it. But on top of that, okay, you are also worried. You are also worried that okay, even though I am working so much hard, okay, as I said that there is a mixed emotion, mixed conflict going inside you. So you are worried that whether this idea will help me to reach my goals, my visions or not, or whether it may be a waste of time. So you are thinking that okay, the path that I am making is, see the path, okay, as I said, see, you can see the path, okay, here. So the path that I am making, okay, whether it is correct or not, okay, so you are worried about that. All right, next, King of Pentacles. Yeah, King of Pentacles, and you think that whether this idea, this vision will provide me the stability or not that I want. Okay, it is the main thing that I can say here is the financial stability. Okay, financial stability. Okay, and or the second energy that I am getting here is that, and you are thinking of whether this idea, this vision will provide me the stability that I want or not for the long term. Okay, you are working for the long term goal, not for the short term goal. That's why you are working very hard on this. Okay, right now you are patient. Okay, you are patient, you want clarity right now. Okay, you are like, okay, I am so much confused, like like whether this this idea, this vision will will provide me long-term stability or not. Okay, and or whether it will work or not. Yes, the Fool. The Fool. And you are also thinking that okay, even though I am going in this direction, whether it is easy or hard, or whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, there is a confusion going inside you. Okay, emotionally and mentally, in both the ways. All right, which you need to clear out. Okay, which you need to clear out, and you have to be patiently decide that which way should I head for my vision. Okay. The High Priestess. Trusting your intuition. careful reflection before taking action, insights that come through meditation. Okay, as I said that you have to listen to your trust because there is a conflict going on inside you. Okay, and your trust will help you to make a way towards your goal. Okay, the magician. You can do anything. Take charge of your life. You can manifest what you need to be a success. Yes. Yeah, as I said that yeah, as I said that you have to decide your life. Okay, even though you are ready to take charge of your life, due to the confusion or conflict, okay, you are unable to fully decide this. So with the help of the intuition, okay, you should trust your intuition because your intuition is the perfect as well as the careful reflection, okay, that will help you to take action and carefully reflect. Okay, and carefully reflect and listen to your intuition. Okay, next, a princess of spring. It's time to go after your dreams. Do something that expands your horizon. Let your creativity take flight. Yes, as I said before that you are very strong, that your visions will help you to reach the goal. So this is your time to go after your dreams. Okay, and you are also thinking. Okay, see this way, the fool. Okay, so the fool is is thinking that okay, I am going to expand my horizon. Okay, so you are also thinking. Okay, you are also thinking that with the help of my ideas as well as with the visions, I am going to expand my horizon. There is a better choice. Not seeing things clearly, running away from the truth. Yes, as I said before that you have to decide. There is a confusion going on inside you. Okay, there is a conflict going on inside you, so you have to decide what you want in a very peaceful and patient manner. Calm down and decide, and with the help of the intuition you will be able to take charge of your life. Okay, you will be able to manifest what you need. Okay. 6 of summer. Children or childhood, the return of people or romance from your past, remembering events differently in a better or worse light than how they really occurred. Okay, from this part I am also getting the energy is that the past experience. Yeah, you are also remembering the past experience. Okay, yeah, here your past experience is also playing a role. Okay, yes. 9 of Winters. Unfounded fear, focusing on worst case scenarios, allowing worry to grow out of the proportion to the problem. Okay, it seems like your past experience is giving you a goosebump. Okay, and it also seems, and the energy that I am getting is that your past experience is creating confusion inside you. Okay, the impact of the past experience is creating a conflict inside you. Okay, yeah, and there is a fear. Okay, yes, there is a fear which you need to work out. All right, yes. Next I am going to take 3 cards from here. Expect powerful change. Nothing will come out from this situation. You and your loved ones are safe. Yes. So from this card I am getting the energy is that you don't think about the past. Okay, yes, don't think about the past. This is a very important change for you. Okay, this is a very important change for you. So move forward. Okay, move forward, go ahead. Okay, and complete or and go after your dreams as well as your visions. Okay, yes. So with this I would like to end my reading. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Be happy, be healthy, stay safe. See you soon. Bye.